Hello again, welcome back, and welcome to part 3 of my Moray Firth Harbours series of videos. And in part 3, this one we'll be looking at Hopeman, Portgordon and Buckpool. Now, in the first two episodes, the first one was Inverness and Nairn, the second one was Findhorn and Burghead. So we're working our way along, but you'll realise probably that this being the 4th of January and snow-covered ground, I'm not going to get very far with working my way along the Moray Firth, but I'll do my best. I do have some video already, so hopefully part 4 won't be too far away. Whether I get as far as I was promising initially I would get beyond Aberdeen and get down to Peterhead. It's debatable actually whether Peterhead is in fact a Moray Firth harbour. It's a very significant harbour, and for that reason I probably will try to include it in this series. Anyway, I'll now show you on the map where I'm going to take you on part 3. Thank you. Okay, in the first video I started off here in Inverness, and there was the marina and the commercial harbour there, and then moved on to Nairn here. I hope you can see this on the map all right. Part 2 was Findhorn, Findhorn Bay and Burghead. Now in this video I'm starting off just to the east of Burghead at Hopeman, and then moving directly to Portgordon here, which is just east of Bucky. And after Portgordon, very close to Bucky, is Buckpool Harbour, the one that's filled in. Now you'll probably notice that I've bypassed Lossiemouth. There's a lovely harbour at Lossiemouth, but because of RAF Lossiemouth, drone flights are restricted, so I can't fly there, unfortunately. So that's it. We'll take you to the video now. Well, I hope you found that interesting. I'm trying to break these videos into roughly equal length. It's quite difficult because in this one that you've just watched, obviously the likes of the Buckpool one, the harbour's been filled in. There wasn't awful much really to show you there. So that's why there were 3 harbours in this one instead of in the previous 2 episodes there were 2 harbours. But again, I've tried not to put too much information up either on screen or me yapping on just now, because it's so easy now to look things up on the internet, and the Moray Firth harbours all have good information online. So if you're interested in a particular harbour, just do what everybody else does and go online. So with that, thanks again for watching, and I think most of these videos were done with my DJI Mavic 2 Pro. I do though now have a DJI Mini 3 Pro, and one or two of the videos are using that. But anyway, we'll see you in the next one. Thank you. Bye-bye.